Let's talk about making your money work for you, not just today, but for the long haul. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your investments are quietly generating income in the background, freeing up your time and energy for the things you truly care about. That's the power of building a real, sustainable passive income stream. It's about creating a financial engine that keeps running, even when you're not actively working. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or chasing the latest fad. Those paths often lead to disappointment, stress, and sometimes even financial loss. Instead, it's about making smart, strategic moves that can pay off for years to come, giving you both financial freedom and long-term security. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing your future is protected. In this video, I'll break down two of the top options for building passive income in the UK, a real estate investment trust, or REIT, and a globally diversified investment trust. These are powerful tools that can help you grow your wealth steadily over time. We'll take a close look at their portfolios, their dividend history, and what makes each of them stand out from the crowd. You'll see how they can fit into a balanced investment strategy. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my research and perspective, shared to help guide your own journey. Everyone's situation is unique, so it's important to think critically and make informed decisions. Always do your own due diligence and make sure your investments fit your personal goals and risk tolerance. Ready to start building your passive income machine? Let's dive in and explore your options together. First up is Tritax Big Box REIT, ticker BBOX. This company is a major player in the world of real estate investment trusts, specializing in a very specific and increasingly important niche: logistics real estate. If you've ever ordered something online, whether it's a new phone, groceries, or even furniture, you've benefited from the kind of massive logistics centers that Tritax owns and operates. These facilities are the backbone of the modern supply chain, making sure products get from manufacturers to your doorstep quickly and efficiently. These aren't your typical shops or office buildings. Instead, they're enormous, high-tech warehouses filled with advanced automation, robotics, and sophisticated inventory systems. They're designed to handle the huge volumes of goods that today's e-commerce giants require, and they play a crucial role in powering the ongoing e-commerce boom. Tritax's tenants are some of the most recognizable and financially stable companies in the world. We're talking about blue-chip giants like Amazon, Tesco, and Rolls-Royce, household names with strong credit ratings and a proven ability to pay their rent on time. These companies sign long-term leases, which means Tritax enjoys a steady stream of income for years to come. Many of these leases are locked in for 10, 15, or even 20 years. That kind of long-term commitment provides Tritax and its investors with stable, predictable income that isn't as vulnerable to short-term market swings. As a REIT, Tritax is required by law to pay out the majority of its rental income as dividends to shareholders. So, when Amazon or Tesco pays their rent, a significant portion of that money flows directly into the pockets of investors. This structure makes REITs like Tritax especially attractive for those seeking regular passive income. What's more, many of Tritax's leases include inflation-linked rent increases. This means that as the cost of living rises, so does the rent they collect, helping to protect your income from being eroded by inflation over time. Tritax has built a strong reputation for delivering consistent, growing dividends to its shareholders, even during challenging economic periods. Their track record shows resilience and a commitment to rewarding investors year after year. Their focus on logistics gives them a significant edge. As more people shop online and businesses rely on fast, reliable delivery, the demand for these specialized warehouses keeps climbing. This trend isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Building these massive facilities isn't easy. Barriers to entry are high. You can't just put up a giant warehouse anywhere. It takes serious capital, careful planning, and the right locations near major transport links. This makes the market less crowded and helps protect Tritax's position. Of course, there are risks. Property values can go up and down, and rising interest rates can increase borrowing costs, which might impact profits. The real estate market is cyclical, and no investment is without its challenges. However, Tritax manages its debt carefully, often locking in fixed rates to reduce exposure to interest rate hikes. This prudent approach helps shield the company and its investors from sudden financial shocks. There's also concentration risk, since Tritax is focused almost entirely on logistics properties. If demand for these facilities were to drop, it could impact their business. But so far, the trend is moving in the opposite direction. With the world moving more and more online, and businesses racing to meet consumer expectations for fast delivery, demand for logistics space looks set to remain strong for the foreseeable future. Importantly, Tritax isn't just sitting on its existing assets. They're actively developing new, state-of-the-art warehouses, expanding their portfolio, and creating new sources of income for the future. This ongoing development pipeline means Tritax is growing, not just maintaining. They're constantly looking for new opportunities and ways to add value for shareholders. In summary, Tritax Big Box REIT owns essential infrastructure that underpins the e-commerce economy. With top-tier tenants, long-term leases, inflation protection, and a management team focused on delivering reliable, growing dividends, it's a compelling choice for investors. Investing in Tritax is a bit like owning a toll booth on the e-commerce superhighway. Every package shipped, every delivery made, helps fund your dividends and grow your wealth. For anyone seeking passive income, it's a modern, effective way to tap into the unstoppable growth of online shopping and logistics. That's why Tritax Big Box is my first pick for a resilient, income-generating investment in today's digital world. Now, let's switch gears to the F&C Investment Trust, ticker symbol FCIT, a true giant in the world of global investing. This is one of the oldest and most respected investment trusts on the market, and it's earned its reputation by delivering for investors over generations. Founded way back in 1868, F&C Investment Trust has witnessed and survived some of the most turbulent periods in financial history. It's weathered world wars, economic depressions, and countless market crashes, proving its remarkable resilience and adaptability. Few investment vehicles can claim such a long and storied track record. Today, F&C offers a globally diversified portfolio. With just a single share, you gain exposure to hundreds of companies across the world, spanning US technology giants, European industrial leaders, and fast-growing businesses in emerging markets. This means your investment is spread across a wide range of sectors and geographies, reducing your reliance on any one area. This broad diversification is a powerful advantage. You're not tied to the fate of any single company, sector, or even country. Instead, your money is working for you in many different places at once, capturing opportunities wherever they arise and helping to smooth out the bumps along the way. If one region or sector faces challenges, others can help balance it out. This approach helps manage risk over the long term, making it easier to stay invested through market ups and downs. It's a strategy designed to help you sleep better at night, knowing your portfolio is built to withstand shocks. The Trust's goal is straightforward: long-term growth in both capital and income by investing in high-quality businesses around the globe. It's about building wealth steadily, year after year, while also generating a rising stream of income for investors. F&C is recognized as a dividend hero by the Association of Investment Companies. It has increased its dividend for an incredible 53 consecutive years, delivering rising income through every market storm, recession, and recovery. That's a level of consistency few investments can match. How does it achieve this? Investment trusts like F&C have a unique advantage. They can hold back some income in good years, building up reserves. When times get tough, these reserves can be used to keep dividends growing, even if the underlying companies are struggling. It's a smart way to provide stability for investors. This structure gives you a reliable, steadily rising income stream, exactly what passive income investors are looking for. Whether you're planning for retirement, supplementing your income, or simply seeking financial security, F&C's approach can help you achieve your goals. Managed by Columbia Threadneedle, F&C benefits from the expertise of a global team of investment professionals. They research, select, and monitor investments around the clock, all while keeping fees competitive. So more of your money stays invested and working for you. Of course, like any investment, the share price will fluctuate with the markets. Sometimes, F&C shares trade at a discount to the value of their underlying assets, potentially offering new investors a chance to buy in at a bargain and benefit even more from future growth. F&C is ideal as a core holding in any portfolio. It offers instant global diversification, professional management, and a half-century of rising dividends. For many investors, it's the foundation on which they build their long-term wealth strategy. It's a simple, effective way to build long-term wealth and passive income. No need to pick individual stocks, worry about market timing, or constantly monitor your investments. Just invest, hold, and let the trust do the heavy lifting for you. For anyone seeking a solid foundation for financial independence, F&C's long track record, robust structure, and commitment to growing dividends make it a standout choice. It's a tool that can help you achieve your financial dreams, whatever they may be. To recap, F&C offers global reach, proven resilience, expert management, and a 53-year streak of dividend growth. It's a rare combination that has stood the test of time and continues to deliver for investors. In summary, F&C Investment Trust is a time-tested, reliable way to grow your wealth and income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your portfolio, it's a choice worth considering for the long haul. So, there you have it. Two powerful options for building passive income: Tritax Big Box for e-commerce infrastructure, and F&C Investment Trust for global diversification. Both have strong records, but the best choice depends on your own goals and strategy. Use this as a starting point. Dig deeper, read annual reports, and see how these fit into your broader portfolio. The best investment is always in your own knowledge. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you invested in either of these, or do you have other favorites for passive income? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more investing ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.